I can remember watching my grandfather in his wood shop. That smell of the sawdust that filled the air, the passion that he put into all of his work, and everything he did for his community and the people that surrounded him. The joy and the happiness in my clients' eyes when they first get to see their project that they've been wanting forever. Or more importantly, when I get to see that passion reignited in a veteran's eyes when they've learned a new skill, when they've come into my shop and I've teach them woodworking, when they've taken their idea from their head, put it through their hands and created this beautiful work of art. This would allow me to upgrade some of my tools to the bigger, safer versions to make my shop a little bit safer. I would take the rest of that and invest it into a larger shop so I can help more veterans. I want to reduce veteran suicide rate by giving veterans a new purpose, by bringing them into the shop and teaching them a new skill, letting them take that vision from their eyes through their hands and making a beautiful work of art.